Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Since the news of the flu outbreak, more people are staying home. Whenever I go grocery shopping, I notice that more people are cooking at home, leaving empty shelves where cooking essentials once resided. Eating is essential to our lives, and our chosen diet is related to our health, especially our immune system. As I said in another video, if you have high immunity, you will be less susceptible to infectious diseases such as flu and cold. Even if you become infected, the symptoms will be lighter. Well, let's go back on the track. On weekdays, my husband is on a low-carb diet. He usually eats meat, fish, cheese, nuts, eggs, low-sugar vegetables, and fruits. So he's on a pretty healthy diet. So I try to make dinner without breaking his low-carb diet. But I wonder, what if I can supplement his low-carb diet into something more balanced than just protein? Then I thought, how about soup? Surprisingly, soup is easy to make and packs a concentrated punch with a nutrition of veggies. But life is hectic. It's hard enough to get dinner on the table every night without having to find time to make fresh soup. I thought about using instant soup stock, but I'm not sure if my husband, who is on a strict diet, will be convinced that the instant soup stock like little chicken cubes is healthy. So I wondered if there is a quicker substitute to cubes, pre-made cans, powdered soup base that is loaded with salt and other unhealthy ingredients. That's when I found this chicken soup base at Costco. It is natural, no MSG, gluten-free, or organic, dairy-free, low-carb, and won't break my husband's diet. The price of this product at Costco is also better than anybody's. It is $5.99 for 16 ounces. At local grocery stores, it costs $4 to $7 for 8 ounces. So I decided to add soup to his diet using this soup base. Cut all ingredients into small pieces in advance. I cut them into smaller pieces because they will cook quicker. Please make sure that all the ingredients are of the same shape and size. You can shorten the time to fry onions by heating them in a microwave for 1 minute before putting them in a pan. The reason for cooking onions is to remove the bitter taste from the onion. So pre-cook the onions on low heat until they become translucent or caramelized. And the bacon adds more oomph to the basic vegetable soup. This soup base is more of a thicky syrupy paste than a dehydrated product. It dissolves quickly and gives my soup a nice rich flavor. I'm going to use a pressure cooker on medium heat. I recommend using pressure cooker to save time. If you don't have a pressure cooker, heat the pan over the high heat, and when it starts to boil, reduce the heat to medium-low and simmer for 30 minutes. Isn't it simple? This soup base is such a lifesaver and tastes excellent. The longer you stew, the vegetable flavor melts into the soup, becoming more delicious. Even my husband, who is picky about what he eats, likes it. If you have any leftover soup, put it in a refrigerator as a pre-preparation for the next day's breakfast. The following morning, you can mix milk into a smooth potage. Or add rice and cheese to make a delicious risotto. This time I made a vegetable soup using an organic chicken base for my husband on a low-carb diet. The vegetable soup is made easily with ingredients available in your fridge, and it is good for people who are on a special diet like my husband, finicky kids, and older people who tend to skip eating vegetables. So drinking vegetable soup is nutritious and boosts your immune system. Please give it a try. I hope this video will help you. Thank you for watching. See ya!